for number 36, here is circle O, and it tells you that there is an X right here. By the way, it says figure not drawn to scale. So technically I could draw this, I should redraw this to look something like something that it doesn't look like, okay? And they say this is B and this is A. In this arc AB, it says in the figure above, the circle has a center O and has the radius of 10. And if the length of arc AB, we need to make sure that it's between 5 and 6. So it could be like 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, yada, 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 okay? So let's just say it's going to be 5.5. What is one possible integer value of X? Okay, so there is a formula for this that Mr. Hill gave us, and it is S, which equals the arc length. Some of you guys who are in pre-calc may have already learned this. Equals X over 360, which is the degrees, and we're solving for that, times 2 pi r, and we know what the r is, okay? So let's fill in. We said that the arc length, and we know that our arc length has to be somewhere between 5 to 6. So we chose 5.5, okay? And that's going to be equal to X over 360 multiplied by 2 pi, r is 10, okay? So from here, I just took a calculator and I multiplied 2 times 3.14, which is pi, times 10, and I ended up getting, I'm going to cross this whole thing out and write down 62.8. Okay, so now I have, I'm going to bring it down here, 5.5 equals 62.8x over 360. And then I multiplied, cross-multiplied. So now I'm going to get this times this equals 1980 equals 62.8x. Divide out the 62.8 using your calculator, because this is a calculator section, and you will get 32. And that's one of the possible answers that you could have gotten for this question.